Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ji students, Assalamu alaikum. Blessed morning. Hope so you have enjoyed your Eid festival with a lot of enjoyments, and hope so you all are very fine. So now students, this is your study time. Now come back to your learning outcomes. So in these lectures of this week, we will complete our grammatical portion of your first term syllabus. So now students, comes to the page number 8. G students, you are seeing there are some statements regarding story writing, how you can write perfect story. So students, first of all, listen to me. In this pre-9th, you are learning the stories and the letters, but here you have a choice among letters, dialogue writing and story writing. But I will suggest you have to write always letters, but if you, in the case of if you don't write the letter, so you will write story. So students, there are 4 stories in your syllabus. The first one, a farmer and his sons, the kindness of Rasul Pak sallallahu alaihi wasallam, and the third one, robbers turned into good citizens, and the fourth one, the donkey trapped in his own trick. So students, these are the stories, and these are stories basically are depends upon the moral lessons. So in these stories, and some stories you have learned in your previous classes, so you have to learn. Okay, then these stories are in your syllabus. Now students, come to the page number 18. There are some letters, informal letter. The first letter, write a letter to your mother who is worried about your health. You have done this letter. And the second one, write a letter to your father asking him about the health of your mother. This is also have been done. The third one, write a letter to your sister congratulating her on her success in the exams. And the fourth one, write a letter to your mother about the test you have just taken. These are 4 letters which you have completed for the first term syllabus. So now students, I have told you already about the letter pattern, so you have to follow this pattern clearly and perfectly. G students, now come to the page number 32. G students, here you are seeing comprehension of a passage. Comprehension means understanding in depth. So I have already done this passage number 1 in your previous lectures. Now there are more 3 passages which you have done by yourself, because these are the part of your first term syllabus. These passages are very simple. First of all, you have, again I repeat the strategy how you can done by yourself. First of all, you have to read this passage, note 1, note 2, you have to read 3 times. Then you will understand the meaning of this statement, the meaning of the sentences, and the meaning of the paragraph. Then you will find easily the answers of these given questions. Just like what happened to the thirsty fox who passed by the well just then. This students, you first of all you will read 3 times, and then you will find the answers of given questions. So you have to complete 4 comprehension passages which are the part of your first term syllabus.